Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on the FTX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX app, then go to the investment section, and at the investment section you have to switch the tradable assets switch to stocks, because at the beginning when you open it, it's on crypto, but right near the crypto section you will find the stock section and it's going to switch to stocks. And now you can browse the list of stocks on the FTX app. If you are looking for one specific stock that you would like to purchase, you can always use the search bar and type in the name of the stock, let's say Tesla. As you can see, it works, but you can also go on and scroll down to find stocks that you are interested in. When you have found one and you would like to purchase, let's say some Twitter stocks, if we are fans of Elon Musk, we can join his endeavors and buy some Twitter stocks. When you open the profile of a stock, then you can see some statistics around this stock for the last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months and 1 year. And if you scroll even below that, you can see some important informations around stock. And when you have decided if you want to invest in this stock, you just have to tap on the buy icon, which is going to open up the buying page where you can add the number of stocks or the amount of money that you would like to invest, and you can go on and invest. I won't do that right now because I don't want to share my personal information here on YouTube, but that's how you do it. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.